the color of your outdoor containers, or should I say tubbing containers, for fish keeping, for those persons who actually attempting to breed fish for sale, does it really matter? Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so lately I have been breeding mbuna cichlids within my pond space. As you can see, I have blue jumps and I have one black jump over on this side, right? Okay, so it's significant about this one black jump. I have several Kennyi Cichlids in this pond. One male and about 3 or 4 female. Wonderful for breeding, right? The thing about mbuna is that they will consume each other, babies. Now, unlike the mbuna that has a dark blue and Mengana that has dark blue, they are not as aggressive as the Kennyi and the Mosoni is the most aggressive. Oh, and the Aratos is the most aggressive mbuna that I have. Right, so I placed the Kennyi in this pan, and as you can see, it's black, right? It's black, and it's the reason why it's black. The reason why it's black is because I want these guys babies. Now, after much checking, I realized that I got roughly about 14 of them so far. Yeah, these are just the ones that are at the bottom hiding. I took out the rocks, I shake out the rocks, and I have been getting these, right? Now I am going to be scrolling down to the bottom of the container to see if I can get more, right? This is how I do fish keeping. The black drum, what it does, it camouflages the babies at the side, so therefore they are less likely to be eaten. If you know about mbuna, you will know that they are very small, smaller than this, whenever they are released from the parent's mouth, right? To go this size within this space with so many Kennyi Cichlids, it's, one would say probably that's a miracle, right? But it's intentional because the background is dark, plus you have algae at the side, plus you have rockwork, plus you have plants, so it gives them a high survivability, if there's such a word, within the pond. And so I am able to breed them. Now, this is the first time I've actually been breeding them. I think there are more. I'm going to pause a little bit and see if I can catch more. In an effort to actually see, I've actually gotten one since I've paused, right? What I have to do, I have to go down to the soil within the pond, and when I go to the soil, put my mesh, right? Because I'm doing the camera, I'm doing it this way. Normally there's a container underneath bottom, right? And then now I would graciously throw the water come out of the pond. Yeah, I have to do everything physically because I'm looking for babies, right? Everything. If it was like a normal water change, I would have turned on the valve and the valve would just release the water and everything will be good. And then I will look in the mesh. There's none. I'm looking for baby, guys. You know them something take time, right? And then now I would have to go through the muck. Yeah, all of this a fisherman have to do. I call it a fish keeper have to do. There's no fish, so I just turn it over on the other side, and then now I pull up this again until every single thing is up. I don't know how many more is in there, but as you can see, the colors, right, it's not that easy to recognize like the yellow lab, and so I'm gonna have to take my time to do them. But so far I've pulled about 16, right? In total I got about 17. Yeah, 17 Kennyi Cichlid. Right. So I just got them from the pond. So it'll take a while for me to actually clean up the space and place them somewhere in which they can be bred, meaning that they can, grow, and they will be for sale in probably about 4 or 5 months. So this is practically it. My Kennyi Cichlids, and these are they. These are they, guys. My Kennyi Cichlids. 2 females are hiding behind the filter, and that's a male. Discovered that that's a Kennyi male. I think in one of my videos I asked which mbuna this is. It was a Kennyi, guys. A Kennyi, right? Yeah, it's a Kennyi, right? And I have a couple males, females, two males, 2 distinct males, and 3 females. Thank you very much for stopping by, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out. Catch you next time. Bye bye.